Hello everyone, peace be upon you. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make money using a mobile app or developing a mobile app, or even if you don't have any kind of an idea how to make an app, I will explain to you in details about all the things that you need to learn about in making an app and making money through apps. So for making an app, actually it needs a very long videos to show that how to make it step by step, and even if you don't have that kind of ability to program an app, you still can get people to develop an app for you. So today we'll be just covering overall how to make an app and how to advertise inside apps and what is the potential in mobile apps. So just 1 second, I can share this video with others, so I can share it with others. And after that, we start with the first thing about making money. Winning money online, it's a kind of misunderstanding concept, but how to make money, how to work hard for that money, it's how I'm going to explain about it today. So yeah, let's start. Starting, the first thing actually is you need to know that when you do an idea, when you do something, you need to know what is the need in that market. Is that market actually needs your app or not? And if, for example, there is thousands of apps that they are doing the same thing, what is the thing that will make you unique in order for people to start trusting your app, to start buying your app or downloading your app? Also, if you are not that good into programming, but you are good in business design or in setting up a goals or planning for a business or selling or marketing, then you can use your area and hire someone else as a freelancer to do the programming for you, to do the app. For example, if you have an idea about app, try to start right now. Ask a freelancers to do it. You can find freelancers in inbudgets.com. You can go for fiverr.com. You can go for Upwork. You can go for freelance, which I am not a big fan of freelance.com because there is a lot of scammers there. But you can try your best and find a programmer that will help you in order for you to get the app. But if you are a programmer in the application, if you are an app programmer, if you know Java, if you know Android, if you know iOS, then go ahead and start programming your own application. It's not that difficult actually once you have the idea set, but there is kind of a problem with Facebook app that the page, it shows every time that unfortunately something is happening. So yeah, in order for you actually to start working on an application, you need to know what is the idea behind the app. When you start building an app, don't make so many features inside the app that people actually will just be confused. Which one? What is this? What is this? What is that? Just start with the basic, very basic apps. I just want to ask you one question. Nowadays, if we go back to the 90s or on 2000, the first time when you wake up, what is the thing that you start doing? Of course, the first thing actually is you go to the toilet or you read newspaper or you go and drink coffee. But now, what is the first thing that you need to do? Just talking to everyone right now. What is the first thing that when you wake up, what is the first thing that you do? The first thing is you take the mobile phone and you start browsing the mobile phone for notifications. So those notifications actually, that is the market, that is the money, that is where the money right now. So you need to follow the money. Some companies actually, I don't know that the mentality of those leaders in that company, they keep on working on the same method, on the old traditional method, and at the end they will feel like what we are doing actually. They are losing a lot of clients because you need to adopt to the changes. You need to be flexible to the changes. Nowadays they are using computer. Let's go and do a website for our company and start using the computer and laptops. Now people actually are moving into mobile. So let's go and with the trend. Let's go with the people that they are doing the mobile apps. People actually are doing anything. Just go with them because follow where is the money. The money is with mobiles. Then go with the mobile apps. Developing a mobile app, as I said, is not that difficult as long as you need a unique understanding of what is the application will be about and also the idea behind the app. It can be anything. It can be news. It can be anything. Like for example, for me, I didn't develop an app. Actually, I use a website that they do developing for the app. Then I just use some kind of about the news in my country. So I made the app. I linked the app with AdSense. And right now the app is making around 200 to 300 USD per month, which is quite nice revenue, and it's increasing 30% every month. Last month was 200 USD, now it's 300 USD. It's reaching to 300 USD. So that is how you improve in the marketing, in the business side, in developing a kind of things that people will need it, because people will need right now in my country, they need to know what is the news, and what is the fastest way to know about the news. It's a mobile app. And since that there is a war in my country, so the internet there, it's kind of a problem. So the app actually will absorb all the details, all the news about what is happening and save it inside your phone, and whenever you browse, even without an internet, you can browse the news. So I'm fixing kind of a problem, and it's improving day by day. Until now we're already around 20,000 to 25,000 20,000 to 25,000 downloads in just 3 months. So that is kind of promising. You can also develop an app about, for example, if you know people that, if you have friends that they are doing kind of restaurants, so you can develop an app and make that app like, for example, ordering system from those kinds of restaurants. Then you can get a commission from them, and also you can provide some kind of affiliations. Develop an apps. I noticed that when my son actually playing an app, when I just give him the phone and he starts playing, like for example Cars or Subway or whatever app, suddenly the advertisement will show up and he starts clicking on the advertisement and downloading all the apps or downloading whatever inside. So I have to go back to my phone and delete whatever he already downloaded. So that is the thing, that the first click that we have, when he click, my son, when he click on the advertisement, the other party, well, they will make money. I received some clicks actually from United States in my application. One click only, it's worth $10, and some clicks it's worth up to $20 from just one click only. So just imagine if you are doing an app for children and you just show some advertisement to the children, make sure that of course the advertisement is not that, it belongs to the kids. So once they click on the advertisement, you are making money. And children, trust me, my child actually, whenever something pop up, he will just click like he wanted to go and disappear. So that clicks actually is making money for other parties. So you can design a game. I remember one day one founder from here, from Malaysia, actually there are three, they did a game that is very, very nice. It's kind of something like an Angry Bird, and I'm not sure that if they had a deal with Disney or not. But the game, the graphics, everything was very, very perfect. Even the game, actually, when I played it, actually, I told them that we have the same game in Yemen, and we play the same game, the same rules, the same thing. But it's something that you need to think about. Developing a game, making an app about news, making an app about social media, making an app for university, making something new about restaurants, about shops, about anything that you think about. You can start by building an app, and at the beginning, for example, if your app charge people to register or to download, that is one kind of revenue. The other, say for example, if your app is free, then you can show an advertisement, and trust me, don't make the advertisement very annoying for people. Just make the advertisement to show, for example, every 5 minutes when they are inside your app. So that is the way how to start making money using an app. Of course, if you don't know how to make an app, you can go for any kind of freelancers to find people that they will help you to develop your app. If you are developing an app but you need a feature that you don't know how to include it, just ask people to help you. And it's not that big of money actually you are going to spend. It's just maybe 200 or 300 USD that you need to spend to develop maybe an app. or sometimes it reached to 5,000 USD. But at the end, you are making money at the end. You are making a solid profit for you, and it will remain there. It will increase the profit until it reaches to a level whereby you go viral and somebody will come and buy your app. There is an app called Miscard, the one that Facebook bought. You can see like you just take a picture and they just change your face, something like that. So these kinds of apps actually, it's very, very promising. I know a guy from Kuwait. He started, he built an app. He asked people to build his app. I think he spent around 5,000 USD in building an app to write Arabic on pictures and to post that in Instagram. Before, actually, it was before you cannot post anything in Instagram written in Arabic. So you take picture, you write anything in Arabic, you change the font of that thing, then you just post it to to Instagram. After that, in 1 year and a half, he made up to 350,000 USD. Just selling his app in iOS and Android, and also getting downloads and advertisement from AdSense. So you just imagine 350,000 USD from just an app that he spent only 5,000 USD in asking people to develop the app for him. And now he is increasing that. He is putting so many features inside different apps and games as well. There are games that you just love to play it, like for example the Subway or Angry Birds or any kind of even simple games, like for example the crosswords or something like that. So people, they will be attracted to your game and they will start playing that game. Some other apps, like for example, if you are a Muslim, then people actually start developing an app, like for example about Salah, about Dua, about Hadith, about some kind of movement or community service or something like that. And you just notice that within months or 3 months or maybe 1 year, they will reach to 1 million downloads. And that is a very great profit for them. And you will start, people actually are starting to advertise in their application, starting to monetize that app in order for them to make money. I'm not saying at the beginning you will make millions of dollars. No, I'm just saying that when I started with my app, I just made around 25 USD the first month. Then after that it increased to 100, then after that to 200, then after that to 300 USD, and it's growing by 30% to 40% every day or every month. So that is how you need to start planning. You need to start working. You need to start figuring out what is the need inside the market and implementing your ideas inside that apps. And you will start directly learning more and more about how to make that thing go and make money for you. I remember I was in a meeting with one from Kazakhstan. So they develop an app, 2 Russian guys, they develop an app. The app is very, very nice, but the only problem with the app, they have so many features. Inside the app actually is to give you discounts for restaurants, for parking, for cinema, for shops, for anything. It's a discount application. But they included a feature whereby you have a timeline. It's like Facebook, so you can just chat with your friends about discounts. So who needs actually to chat about discounts? That is one thing. The second thing is they add a lot chatting inside the application. They add so many features that it's annoying for new people to join and to start learning about that app. But the idea behind the app is very, very nice. And that lady actually, she is right now trying to penetrate the market of the Malaysian market, and they are going to open the office here in Malaysia. The application is very nice. It's just you go, you have the application, you have the mobile app, you just go and scan the application. Actually, I don't have the phone. So you scan the application, you scan the QR code, and the cashier will come and will scan your QR code. And for example, if it's 10%, they will give you at the end the 10%. Then when you recommend someone to go to that restaurant, you just send them an invitation. Whenever they scan their code, you still get a discount. And if that friend invites another friend, It's still the same thing. You still get discounts until you reach to 100% discount, which is a free meal, a free things inside the restaurant. And on top of that, also you can rate the restaurant, you can rate the feedback, the cashiers, you can rate the waitresses, you can rate anyone that you it's inside that application. So you can use maybe something like that and start building an app that will help in a market of restaurants and shops and other platforms. So I think that covers the whole idea about how to make an application and how to make an app using how to make more money actually using an apps through advertisement, through selling your apps, through subscriptions. Some people actually, this app actually, the one from Russia, they are having a subscriptions which they are selling you the CRM, the customer relationship management. So they are selling you the whole system to the owner of the business, the owner of even restaurants or a shop. So they are selling that kind of product to them. And in order for you to buy the license to use that product for 1 year, you have to pay around 1,060 something USD for just buying the product. So they are making revenue from the licensing of the system to restaurants, which is the restaurants actually they need CRM in order for them to grow bigger, or any shop they need a CRM. Then they are making money from the advertisement that shows inside the application. They are making money about the affiliations program that they are making. They are making money from the subscriptions, which I already said. And also they are making money from loyalty customers. So if you are loyal to this app, still you have to pay some kind of money for them in order for you to get retreats, to get trips, to win cars, to do something like that. So it's a kind of a promotion for them, and also it's a promotion for not only for the users but also for the business owners. So in order for you to think about an app, it can be anything. I know a guy who just made an app about SMS. Sometimes you know that when you are having, like, for example, Hari Raya or birthday or whatever that your friends is celebrating, and you need to wish them happy birthday, or you need to wish them Salamat Hari Raya, or any kind of celebration that you need to share that kind of joy with them. You have to search on the internet about some kind of phrase, some kind of paragraphs that you need to send. This guy, he developed an app, and then you have thousands and thousands of there is a category of the celebration, like if it's an Islamic celebration, if it's a birthday celebration, if it's just sending message to your wife or to your husband. So he has different categories, and he just copy pastes inside that. So for me, to save my time and to save my effort to go and search in the websites about those kind of things, I just download the app, copy, paste, and send it to my wife. Then at the end, she is very happy about the message that I already sent to her. So that is the kind of thing that you need to start building. It doesn't take too much of your time, doesn't take too much of your money. It takes only few. I will post the website that you can go through. There are mbudgets.com, which is a place for freelancers. You can find freelancers for $10. There are fiverr.com. there is Upwork. There are freelance, which I don't recommend that one at all. And Brother Ayub, he said that the best way to make money from apps is rescan. I haven't tried that one, but for me, actually, the best is until now, because I haven't tried rescan. The best until now is Google AdSense. They are up to the standards that I can say you can easily make money from that. Of course, they are not at the beginning. You just made up to 25 USD at the end of the month. So you need to increase the sales, you need to increase the marketing, you need to increase the advertisement in order for your app actually to make money. I'm spending actually every 3 days, I'm spending around 10 ringgit. From the 10 ringgit, I'm making up to 25 USD from just only 10 ringgit. When I spend 10 ringgit on advertisement, I made 25 USD, which is the 20 is I think you can You can calculate how much in ringgit. Let me just check the currency exchange right now. It's around 102, 103 ringgit. Just imagine I'm just spending 10 ringgit and I'm making 90 ringgit in return. And if I spend more, then I will make more. And that is how you start doing. And please, whenever you start advertising for an application, whenever you start advertising for a product, whenever you start advertising for something, just start very small. Start with 5 ringgit, start with 3 ringgit, because in Malaysia you can start with 3 ringgit up to 10 ringgit. Just start with the 3 ringgit and test the market. What is the response behind the 3 ringgit when I spend 3 ringgit, how much I get, and from the 3 ringgit actually, is it promising to use this kind of picture? Is it good to use this kind of content? Do I need to change? Then after that, the next advertisement, you change, for example, the picture and see how it's going. And based on the concept of analyzing the data that you have from the advertisement, you can know what is the advertisement that will work for you. And from that, you start building the advertisement and still continue on testing and analyzing the results. Brother Ayub, right now I'm working with Android. I'm still learning. I'm still in the beginning stages of Android development. So I don't have that kind of knowledge about Android and iOS. So I'm still learning, but my app, actually, I used different sources to do the application. And it's a free, sometimes you can find also a free platforms that will provide you an application for you for free. And also they just share some kind of revenue with you, like 50%, 50% or 20% to you and 80% to them. But you can also, on top of that, you can buy the application. You can just drag and drop the application and buy it from online, yes, and you have 100% of the advertisement goes to you. So I will be having a workshop on how to make a website and how to develop a website and how to use that website in order for you to make money. If you are into the sales, if you are into a dropship, if you are into any kind of market and you need a website, feel free to register in the event. It's only 300 ringgit. It's in Malaysia. It will be hosted either in University of Science Islam Malaysia, or it will be in another company which will be decided later. But if you we have only from 30 to 50 seats available, and we are not going to take more than that in order for us actually to reach to the point. And if you feel free, it will be during weekend. So if you are free and you need to spend around 300 ringgit for the workshop, it will be from the morning until 5 p.m. To teach you how to start from zero, from doing a website from zero until you have a current website running, and also how to monetize these kinds of websites in order for you to make money through advertisement, through selling your products, and through different kind of revenue stream that you are following. So you can find the event in my my page under Nader Alkeinay. If you want to join, feel free to join. You can also buy the event online, buy the ticket online, and it costs only 300 ringgit, and for one day, including drinks and some kind of food. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much, Brother Ayub, for your questions. And Arab Mobiles, I will visit your Facebook page, inshallah. So thank you all for being there, and wish you all the best, and enjoy your weekend. This is Nader Alkeinay signing out.